Indian origin Zohran Mamdani is now set to become the new mayor of New York City. He went viral on social media for two reasons. First, he quoted Jawaharlal Nehru in his victory speech saying,
"A moment comes but rarely in history."
Second, when the speech ended, he played the song from the movie Dhoom. But the real story is much bigger. About 10 months ago, polls showed Zohran had just 1% vote share and was ranked 9th among all the candidates. Almost no chance of winning. He had no billionaire funding, which made it even harder in a country like the US. Zohran started from the grassroots level, going door to door, talking to people, using social media and building volunteer groups. He focused only on the real issues like education, healthcare, rent freeze and better public transport. Despite facing racist attacks and being called a terrorist, he never hid his identity and stood firm for what was right. He even raised his voice against the Gaza genocide. His victory proves one thing, that power truly belongs to the people. Zohran Mamdani's journey is an inspiration for youth worldwide. Now you tell me, how do you feel about Zohran Mamdani becoming the mayor of the New York City? In the comment section below.